Islam. Today I am in front of you with another tutorial, and our today's topic is Python, the remove list item. Okay, that is how we can remove any item from a particular list. And in my previous tutorial already I have discussed about list and how we can add or access or remove list, remove item from a particular list. Also we have discuss about various methods, and actually we are learning the uses of the methods. And since I have already told that Python is an object-oriented program, and in this program every function is defined as method, and we'll be learning, and we are learning various type of methods and the uses and the concept and also the syntax of using these lists. And I hope so far I have made you clear about the concept and the syntax of and the uses of list. Friends, today we will be learning some new concepts but using some previous methods of what we have discussed about. And let's not talk much and directly jump into the topic. Okay, remove list items or remove any items from a particular list. How we can do that? If we just see, or if we just look at this particular list, we can see that is here I have defined a list, and I named the list as X, and there are some items are there, and the index value of apple is 0, 1 and 2, and actually the list is a bucket or a variable, what you say, or a box of whose name is X, and where I kept apple, banana and also cherry. But suddenly I found that I don't like banana, and I wanna really remove from this banana from my bucket. And how can we remove? So to do so, I wanna use a particular method. And what is the method? The method is directly remove. If I write this one remove, and if I pass the item what I wanna remove from a particular list and press shift and enter, simply the banana has gone. I don't know why. Where? Okay, let's find. So if I wanna remove any particular item from a list, just using the remove method, I can easily, clearly, simply remove it from a particular list. Okay, let's see something else. Oh, but I don't know the name of a item, but I just want to remove any value who is right now in positions with index number 1 or index number 2 or index number 0. How can we do that? For that we need to use another method, and the name of the method is pop, pop. Okay, let's see. And since okay, let's not do that. I just want to remove, I don't know what is the value in an index number 1. Just I will simply pass a pop function. Okay, and what will happen, just I have passed the index value, and the number 1, the value or the item which is in positions with the index number 1, this will be eliminated. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, I got the same result. If I put 0, then apple will be removed. If I put anything like 2, then again the cherry will be removed. That is, only passing the index value I can remove it. So pop function only uses when I want to replace, sorry, I want to remove any item from a list, and using the index value I can usually remove it, and just I need to pass the index value. Okay, and let's see what is the rest one. Okay, and this thing I can do with another one. Okay, what is that? Let's see. Oh no. And there are another function called del. So just using this del, I can also do the same thing, but the syntax of using del is something different. Del x then 1. Have you seen that? Just using the del function. Okay, let me show you. Using the del function I can do it. This is one. This is the del function. Using this del function or del method I can do the same thing. This either I can use pop methods or I can use del methods, but the syntax are different. That's in pop method you need to use the parenthesis and you need to pass the in index value, and in del method that is you need to use the square bracket and you need to pass the index value. The result will be same. Okay, another thing, we can use also extend. Okay, we can use also extend, and this del method has another power, that is if I use just directly the name of a list, then entire list will be deleted. You see, the entire list will be deleted. Have you seen? The entire list has already been deleted. So if I want to delete any list, that easily we can do that. Okay, I have another example, that is clear. Sorry, I made a mistake. If I want to clear the entire list, then I can do that just using this clear function. Just see x dot x dot, I need to pass the clear. What is happening? X dot tab. Just nothing. I need to use a clear function. Clear function. What is that clear function? Yes, here is the clear function and print x. Just the function is the function is going to be the entire function will be clear. So these are the things, these are the function, very easy function. There are 4 function or method, whatever you say, but in Python we must we will use the terminology called method. And first what we have used remove methods, we have used pop methods, we have used del method, and we have used clear method. Number 1, for remove, we need to just pass the item name or just pass the item, and this will be easily removed from the end list. And also we can use pop, and here we need to just pass the index value of a particular item which we want to remove. And voila, we can use also del, and using this pass index method we can also remove any particular item from a list, but the syntax are not same, syntax are different. For pop method, the parenthesis, we got to use the parenthesis, and for del method we got to use the square bracket in order to pass the index value. And also using the del method we can clear entire or we can delete entire list. And also we can, and for last and finally we can use clear method, so that we can clear the list or we can eliminate every items from the list. So these are the methods we have learned from these lessons and this tutorial. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and I request everyone to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so that I can so that you get a notifications when I upload any new content. And also and your subscriptions, your small contributions, your criticism even motivates me, this inspires me to update myself, to improve myself, and also to provide a quality content. And if you just look at my channel, the first content which I have given in this channel, and today's tutorial I'm making here, there are vast difference between this is only because of you have inspired me, you have watched my video, and also you have subscribed me. So this inspires a lot, and this helps me a lot to increase my motivation, my inspiration, so that I can come up with a better solutions. Since I'm a newbie, I'm learning Python, and I'm also making these contents for my audience, those who are newbies like me and wanna learn Python, and either he or she wanna become a data scientist or software developer or script developer, or there are lots of arena which we can explore using this Python. So thank you so much, and bye bye.